Okay, well, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make door with round glazing in the middle. Okay, first of all we have to make the basic shape with line. We can click from this point, then we can type to the upper position around 2.4 meter approximately. It depends on your height of the door anyway. Then we can set the weight, then we can set the width of the door around 900 millimeter. Okay, then we can push it down and then we can pull it down until this position. Okay, well, now we can get this line. We can get this line that we have made before. Then we can offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Okay, well, now we can select line and click from this point until this point, and now we can get the result just like this. Then now we can select from this position, we can select this plane and line at once, then we can right click and erase. Then we just get this plane, this frame plane. Now we can push it to the back around 120 millimeter for the door depth. Okay, well, now we can make it all to be grouped. We can make it group, then we can make the rectangle or rotated rectangle. We can use the rectangle, start from this corner till this corner. Okay, well, now we can push it to the back. We can set the thickness of the door leaf around 40 millimeter. Okay, well, now we can triple click and right click and make group, and now we can make the tape measure tool from. We can click this tape measure tools, then we can click from this position, and we can drag to the middle, and then we can click from this position, and then we can drag to this position. Okay, well, now we can draw the circle. We can draw the circle, and then we can position the circle to this intersection. Then we can set the smoothness of this outline of the circle. Then we can type 64S and enter. Okay, well, now we can set the radius around 250 millimeter and enter. Okay, well, now we can delete this center plane, right click and erase. Then we can click this line, this outline, then we can select edit, cut, and we can enter the group and edit and paste in place. Now we can push it to the limit until it's appear the indicator like this. Sorry, we have to push it until the limit. Okay, well, now we can get this hole. Okay, well, now we can make the glazing here. We can make the glazing here. We can triple click to select the group. We can click this outline. Then we can edit, copy, and we can exit from the group, and now we can edit and paste in place. And then we can select the line, click from this position until this position. Okay, and then now we can get the plane again from the outside of the group, and then we can just delete this additional line over there. We can select erase, then we can click this plane and push it to the front around the thickness of the glass as we want, or as the design. Okay, now we can make it group. We can make it group anyway. Okay, and then we can set the materials. We can using glass materials and click this one. Then we can move to this approximately to this midpoint of the openings of the glazing. Okay, well, now we can get this door, and now we can make the another variation. We can make the another profile of the door of the circle here. We can click this circle outline. We can select edit, copy, and we can exit from the group, and then we can select edit and paste in place. Then we can select offset tool. We can offset it outside around 50 millimeter. Okay, well, now we can offset it inside. Okay, then we can delete for the middle point of plane. Then we can push it to the front approximately around 25 millimeter. Then we can offset it inside. This one just like this. Then we can push it to the back, and we can make it profiling. We can make the profiling here as we want, or as artistic as we can anyway. Okay, this is for example. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And now we can make the another materials. Maybe we can use wood materials to add this profile of the circle. Then we can click this wood, click this one, and also we can click this wood leaf or door leaf. Okay, we can click assign the material of the door leaf, and then we can assign the frame material, door frame material, to be a dark, the more dark than the darker than this door leaf anyway. Okay, well, now we can also make the another glazing materials. We can using the glass, and we can using this one, or maybe we can use this one, and we can explore it more. Then we can make the another elements. Maybe we can make the handle, door handle, in this position. Then we can push it to the front. Can double click. We can make the circle again here. Okay, we can click this one, then we can push it to the front just like this. Can double click, make group, and we can make the rectangle over there. Okay, then we can scale it to this position. Okay, then we can modify the corner of the door handle. Okay, we can modify the corner of the door handle anyway, so we can create the creativity of it. Okay, then we can push it to the front just like this. Triple click and make group, then we can select move. Okay, well, now we can place to this position. Okay, now we can maybe we can make it up more proportional. So if we feel it's need a little bit more length, so we can adjust the length of this door handle. Then we can make the another. Okay, then we can make the another element. We can make the look case here. Okay, then we can move to the appropriate position. Okay, then we can push it to the front, and we can select rectangle here. We can push it to the back, maybe approximately just like this, to make the illustration of the look case of the door handle element. Then we can set the color. We can adjust the color with the dark color here. Okay, well, now we can get this point. Then we can click this all of element of the door handle, and then we can right click and make group. And now we can move it and duplicate, press Ctrl, then place to this position. Then we can select the mirror and click on the green plane. Okay, now we can get this result. Then we can adjust to the appropriate position of the door, and then we can get the result of the door with the circle glazing in the middle. Okay, then we can right click and make group, and now we can move it to the another side. We can move it to this position. Then okay, well, now we can delete some unnecessary line over there, and we can delete some unnecessary additional line over there. Then we can make a duplicate, select move, press Ctrl, then place to this position. Then we can make the illustration. We can make the rotation of the door on the right side with using rotate. We can click from this corner, click to this side, and then we can open maybe around 30 degrees. Okay, well, okay, now we can get this result. So you can try to make this door and make this variation of this door, and you can improve your skill. You can improve, and by exercising your skill on the 3D model of SketchUp by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial SketchUp video. Thank you.